Hi, this is Ken at Tortoise Capital. I wanted to just highlight a opportunity here for an excellent course that's getting ready to kick off tomorrow, February 28th, by the guys at Ableway Tech, who are students of mine that have developed a applied systems development course that teaches my methods of creating trading systems either from scratch or from adapting existing systems and personalizing them for you and making them tradable. Along with that course, Griff Cooper walks you through the way he did that with the Kata 2 system that I coached him on every night in our chat room for 9 months, and he turned that into a bulletproof system that really suits him and other intraday traders very well. So you get an excellent opportunity to see systems development in action and walk out of that course with a bulletproof intraday system that really resonates with a lot of the folks in our community of practice. So this is getting ready to kick off. They're following this particular model, which I think is an excellent representation of what I believe in, that starts with foundational course in chart setups and indicators and the Kata challenge, then learning how to apply those slowly and carefully, then turning that into a more robust system where you go through the plan, prepare, execute, and assess model, and then finish up with practical coaching on executing those systems in real time with focused feedback. It's a great hands-on learning opportunity and a tremendously well-resourced and professional course that's gotten high marks from the folks that have already gone through the course. Really proud of the work these guys have done, and I can give it my highest recommendation. So check them out at Ableway Technologies. Here's a quick look at their teaching schedule and coaching schedule, and I invite you to give them a try. Take good care.